Hey y'all, today from the Coop, I'm going to share something that happened this week. It was a tragic event and it was horrible, but I'm also going to show you the baby chicks, and they look nothing like they did when they were first born. So stick around if you're ready to hear a tragic story and see what the babies look like now.
They look like...
And you're going to see a lot from Lily because she is my next door neighbor now, so get ready. We have had tragedy hit the coop this week, and I'm going to tell you the story, but I'm also going to show you the chicks now. They're about between 4 and 5 weeks old now, and they are so cute, and they are all Henry's babies, but the mother, I'm still sort of guessing, but I can't wait to show you what they look like now. They don't look anything like they did when they were first born.
I'm holding his wing so he don't flap out of my hands.
Oh, that's a good way to hold him right there. Okay, y'all, this week I lost one of the baby chicks to a hawk. And I think the thing that makes me the maddest is I have a game camera down here, and it seems like every time I have a predator attack my chickens, the camera does not catch it. It will catch me coming in and out as I feed the chickens. It will catch Betty. It will catch the next door neighbor's dog coming down here to visit the chickens, but it does not catch when a predator. I did catch a picture of the hawk in front of my chicken coop early that morning actually, that all this happened, so that's why I'm guessing it's a hawk. But one of the chicks, this is how vulnerable chicks are, was laying up against the fence. He was in the cage, or she was in the cage, but the hawk, or whatever it was, it may have been a fox, I'm not real sure because there was a little hole dug beside the cage, sat there and picked the chick to death. All the chick had to do was get up and walk away from the side of the cage, but it chose not to. It sat there and allowed whatever it was to kill it on the other side of the fence. And that's what I mean when I say chicks are oxymorons. They are fragile and strong at the same time, and they are smart, and they are a little stupid just to sit there and let something kill it. But that's what happened. And then the next morning, Esther, I guess the same predator came back. I had a little hole in the top of the fence. It was so small. I don't even see how she got out of it, but she did. She squoze out of it, and when I came down here to feed them, something killed Esther. And I can't talk about it much because I will start crying. But I believe it was the hawk because there were feathers everywhere, and it killed her on the inside of the fence, and then it picked her up and it dropped her on the other side of the fence, and there were feathers all over there too. And I'll show you in the video. But so my guess is hawk. We've had a lot of hawks down here since we've been cutting some trees and stuff like that, and they are just easy meals, and I wish Esther had not gotten out of the fence, but she did. So I put all the chicks back together again. I put them back with Tucker and Hannah, and I put them back in the coop, and they're back in the cage, and they're more secure now. But I have just got to show you what they look like now. Lily is holding Tucker, and I still believe it's a rooster, but I've got to show you, he is changing. Well, I'm going to show them all. But Tucker is still yellow, but he's got a lot of gray in him now. But I'm sorry. But they all have feathers on their feet, every one of them. Some of them have 5 toes like a silky, and some of them have only 4. But this is Tucker. See how much he's changed? He has 5 toes. I don't know if you can see that. He's got 5 like a silky. And his eyes are like Henry's eyes. I don't know if you can see that. This is Tucker. And let me grab. This is Hannah. This is the little well summer I bought to go into the coop with Tucker, and she is little compared to the other chickens, but she's cute, and her and Tucker did bond because they sleep together at night. And it's really cute. But let me get the other ones. And the chick that I lost, it was Susie. She was all gray, and she looked a lot like She looked a lot like Denise, but like I said, she died. So here. Okay. This is Denise. I don't know if you can see this, but she has barring on her wings. So apparently one of the barred rocks was the mother. So that makes Luke her grandfather, and that makes me happy. But I don't know if you can see her back. She has 5 toes also, like a silky. But what is so cute about these is they're regular hens, but their little heads are so fluffy because of their silkies. Her eyes are the only ones that is different. They're like one of my regular hens. They're not like Henry's. But see the barring on her back? She's so pretty. Okay. Now, this is Judy. Judy is really, really unusual looking. She's the biggest out of all of them, so I'm scared Judy. Something in the back of my mind is thinking she may be a rooster, but I don't know. I'll just have to wait till they get a little bit bigger, because she's got the fluffy neck and she's got these little sprawling out feathers on the back of her head, and she's got them all. Actually, she had them all over her body too, but she's beginning to grow out of them. I'm gonna show you her back. Wait, see? And she has an orange leg band. I don't know if you can see that. She has the 5 toes also like the silky. And now Denise has a red leg band. But isn't she beautiful? And my last one is Verlee. And Verlee is the cutest. He has Henry's eyes. Look at that sweet face. Yes. And I'm positive this is a girl. And Verlee has a purple leg band. But Verlee is the only, she has 4 toes. She does not have the 5 toes like the silky. So I don't know who her mother is. I don't even have a guess of who her mother is. But if that is not, look at her wings, how beautiful they are. But Verlee is precious. I'm telling you, so cute, so cute. And her little leg bands are so cute. They're so cute. But that is all of the baby chicks. And they're growing up fast. They're growing up real fast. Okay, but I would have showed y'all the chicks sooner, but my father, he got sick back in about, I guess it was Thanksgiving last year. He is 83 years old. And as a family, along with my 81-year-old mother, we have decided we are going to keep him home for the rest of his days on this earth. But it's taking a lot of time, and I still have a lot to share, so I hope y'all bear with me. Thank you for all your subscriptions and likes and thoughts and prayers, because I feel them. We truly feel them. And I thank you for that. But I just wanted to stop and pause and take a little moment to show y'all how big and how cute these little chicks are, and tell you about the tragic event that happened this week at the Coop. So y'all stay tuned. Please like, you can comment, and if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe, because I have a lot more to share and a lot more books to share also. So thank you very much for your thoughts and prayers.